Hi friends, welcome to Creo lectures. So in today's lecture we will make this 3D part in Creo parametric. So for that we will go in the Creo first, click on new, click on parts and click on OK. Then we need to click on extrude, select the surface, click on the normal view. Then first we will create these two circles of radius 20 and radius 30. Go in the circle and make two circles of radius 20. So dia is 40 and radius 30. So dia is 60 mm. Okay. Then what we're gonna do? We will create one more rectangle. Okay, we will create just simple this line. Then we need to give the dimension. The thickness is 10 mm and here the distance is available 6 mm as you can see. So from the center the distance is 3 mm. So 3 mm and 10 mm. 3 mm and 10 mm. So dimension from here to here it is 3 mm and this thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Then we will go in the delete segment and delete this line because it is unnecessary. Okay. We will also delete this line. Okay. Control Z. Right now it is okay. Then we will select this line and this line. We will go in the mirror and select this axis. So it will mirror automatically. Okay, it is perfectly okay. Then we will go in the delete segment and delete this unnecessary line. So it will be make close curve. Then we will extrude it up to how much? Up to how many distance? 10 plus 13 plus 20. So 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 mm. Click on OK and the depth is 60 mm and click on OK. Okay. We will give this radius after some time. Okay. Here we have forgot one more distance. So we will again go in the sections and click on the normal view, and we have not given this horizontal distance. So what is the horizontal distance? We will give that. So how to calculate that horizontal distance? So from the center axis it is the 40 mm. 40 mm up to this center. 40 mm plus this radius. This radius is 10 mm. So 40 plus 10 is equal to 50 mm. So from the center to this axis is 50 mm. Okay. Then click on OK. Now it is perfectly fine. Okay. The next, what do we want to do? We want to create this. We want one more plane here. Why we require one more plane here? To make this platform. So at which height this platform is there? It is at the height of from the center. Okay. So it is what at what distance we need to create one more plane? It is at the distance of 55 minus 15 mm. 55 minus 50 is equal to 15 is equal to 40 mm. So from the distance it is at the 40 mm. So we need to click on this plane, click on the plane at the distance of 40 mm. So at this height, click on OK. So this plane is ready. We will go in the extrude. We will click on the normal part, and then we need to create one center line. So select this center line. So select this center line. Then again click on the center and make one more center line. Okay. Then we need to give click on the rectangle and make one more rectangle. What is the distance of this rectangle? 10 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 40, and the width is 30. So 40 by 30. Click on OK. Make the reverse direction and up to the next. Okay. So it is ready. We will again go here. Click on the extrude. Click on the normal view. Again, click on the center line. Make one center line, and then what we're gonna do? We will create this two circle at the height of 15 mm, and the die is 15, and this diameter, this die is 30. Die is 15 mm and 13 mm. It is perfectly fine. Click on line from here up to here, and from here up to here, and up to here. Then click on the delete segment. Remove this extra line. Click on OK. Make the reverse direction, and the thickness is 10 mm. Okay, it is perfectly okay. Click on OK. Then again OK. We have forgotten given the dimension of the height. It is at the 15 mm. Okay. Select this piece because it is at the center. Then click on the click on the extrude, click on the mirror and select this plane. Click on OK. So it is perfectly created. As you can see, here we will make the different view shading with edges. Okay. Then what we're gonna do? We will give the this circle. For that we will go here. Click on the hole. Okay. Click on the hole and select this edge first for this plane here, and the second one is this plane here. It is at the distance of, so this total distance is how much? 30 plus 20, 60 mm. 60, and this is 40. This is 40, 20, 20, and this is 10, this is 10. Okay. It is at the distance of 10 mm. And this horizontal distance is also 10 mm. So give here this dimension is also 10 mm. What is the diameter? The diameter is, as you can see, the diameter is 10 mm. So the diameter is 10 mm. Okay. So it is perfectly fine. Then we need to linear pattern of by 20 mm and 3. So click on the pattern, click on dimension, click on direction, select this direction and reverse the direction at the distance of 20 mm. 20 mm and the number is 3. Okay, click on OK. So likewise we have created the linear pattern. Then we need to give the edges of the what is the radius for the edges? 10 mm. So for that we will go in the round. Radius is 10. Select this face and this face. Select this face and this face. This edge. Okay. I am hiding all the plane right now. And I'm as you can see, this part is almost ready. But here there is a one more extra. We can say error is there. There is a gap in between there. So for that removing and gap, we will go in the extrude, click on the section, edit, and what we're gonna do is we'll go in the line, select this line, select this line, and remove this extra. Edit, delete it. From here up to here it is coincident. And delete segment, remove this line and click on OK. So likewise, this our portion, our part is right now completely ready according to our sketch. So guys, if you like this video, then please do subscribe and share with your friends, comment, and we will meet on the another next level exercise. And day by day we are improving our exercise. So what is the advantage of this practice? Why I am making video on this exercise? Because the number of if you increase more and more exercise daily in the Creo, then you not need to just thinking you have not need to think about the features that what I'm going to do for making this part. Automatically you will select that features one day. For that you need the number of practice. And believe me guys, in the interview what they are saying is how much efficient you can use the CAD software. That will come if you do the daily practice. That's why I am creating this this video. Thank you very much guys. Like it.